One of the biggest revelations of 2025 is simply that AI could do everything for you. Clear, good. So, as simple as writing your CV, so you don't need to be too smart to have an amazing CV. All you simply need to do is how to do the right words. But the consequences of it is always felt. We've seen people who have amazing CVs, but who come for interviews and you have conversations, and you ask yourself, what got missing? I remember having a conversation with my friend HR, and I told her, see, we should make a HR Netflix series from everything that happens in the interview, because it's funny. Sometimes you see some things online that looks funny, like the one I saw that asked somebody, what does a gynecologist do?
Who is a gynecologist?
Well, Ghana is a country, like we all know.
Jesus is Lord!
The gynecologists in there, let's just talk about their history. So they really have a culture which so many people adapt.
But we laughed over it. But the funny thing is that we come to see that the skill set of writing a CV and working with people are completely different skill sets. The talent we need in the workplace goes beyond the CV. It goes from, we need humans. There's some human skills that you can't deal without. And we saw most of this during the COVID era, where we needed to work with people who had common sense and not bosses who had roles. And from every report, the teams who thrived better were those team members who were able to understand the situation of their teammates, follow them up, and just have common sense. So we're beginning to see an era where we should now prioritize talent in the workplace. So good news, we're doing our first Redefining Talent workshop for 2025. We've had this in the pipe for so long. For the first quarter, for the first one, we're collaborating with the big chapter for this. But going forward, we'll have series of it. But bottom line is this. What do you want from your employers? What do employers want from employees beyond the CV? Most times, it's far beyond your CV. It's a human talent. And the good thing about 2025, most employees and employers have burst the bubble. It's not your CV, it's the people, it's the humans you work with. So you see, why you think we want to employ you for your CV? It's high time you improved your human skills, because that's what gets to live beyond the CV. So why you sign up, it's high time for you to prepare for 2026. Because at the end of the day, while we complain about AI, we want humans who have the heart and whose talent goes beyond writing an amazing CV. So I'm rooting for you as you prepare for your team in 2026. My name is Charles here. Redefine Talent.